culture-driven, collaborative, vibrant. For the Singapore-based company TDCX, this Hyderabad office was its first in India. It was a space that would become a second home for its employees. Executed during the pandemic, this remotely monitored project introduced uniquely innovative design and management solutions that increased quality and efficiency. The industrial look and feel combines brick, wooden, and concrete finishes with verdant biophilia, all coming together to honor the ideals, values, and brand presence of TDCX. Vast, barrier-free spaces, visual connectivity, and inclusive design create an office that is engaging, informal, and approachable. Dark wood, black meshes, earthy tones, all come together to create a warm, rustic ambiance. Locally inspired art and ethnic design elements strongly embellish the Indian identity of the office and forge a sense of belonging. Adaptable resimercial furniture invites people in and makes them feel comfortable, makes them feel at home. Flexible, user-centric design and planning works to enhance workplace culture and engagement. Natural lighting streams in from all directions, working cohesively with the warm interior lighting. Vivid highlights of color appear from the fabrics and furniture finishes, as well as the picturesque murals and wall art. The TDCX office is a synergistic space for the community where it can thrive, explore, and grow. It is a melting pot of ideas and personalities, a celebration of inclusivity and diversity, rooted in the vivacity of Indian culture, a haven to inspire, to collaborate, to learn. Welcome home to TDCX.